success? What is the meaning of success? How can you be successful? Okay, before I start, hello and welcome. So first we have to understand what does the word successful means, what really success is. For every individual, success can be different. Who deserves to be successful? Answer is all. We all deserve to be successful, no matter who we are, where we from, or what is our history. Now success can be different for a child. If he gets a chocolate, then he is successful. A success can be different for a businessman. If he has a target for earning 1 million, if he earns it, then he is successful. If a cricketer wins a match, then he is also successful. If a cricketer wants to be a captain and he becomes a captain, then he is also successful. Whatever you want to achieve, whatever your target, when you achieve that, then you are successful. Nobody in the world can decide you are successful or not. It's only you who can describe your own success. Now first of all, how to get rid of all these things that can stop you from getting success. First, the target should be decided. What do you want to do? Now target decided, it's only your brain, it's only your focus. Your focus should be completely on that target. Now if I decided to get a YouTube channel for me, all the people said that you cannot make it, you cannot run it, whatever. My first target was to make a YouTube channel. Now my targets have changed. I am already successful in making a YouTube channel. Now success have changed. Now my target is getting 100 subscribers, some 500 views. I'm working on it. So success can be different for different people at different times. If you really want to be successful, all you need to do is completely focus on your target, nothing else. It's as simple as it is. No complications at all. Don't look here, don't look there. Just look in front. Just like when Guru in Mahabharata was taking the test of Pandavas, and there was a parrot hidden in the trees, and he asked all his students to just hit the arrow on the eye of the parrot. All the warriors came, but before they tried to strike, the Guru always asked them, what are you seeing? Some said I am seeing trees, some said I am seeing leaves, some said, and even one said I can see the parrot. Only Arjuna said, I can see the eye of the parrot. Then the Guru said, okay, strike, and he was successful. So the mantra for success is your target, your burning desire, and your complete focus on it. When you have all these things, then the nature will take you there. So my friends, you can all be successful. Always have positive thoughts. Then there is no other way, and no one can stop you from getting your success. Thank you.